Hello everyone, welcome back to my solo podcast. So, before we start, let me ask you something. Have you ever been asked, can you tell me about your daily routine? And suddenly, your mind goes blank. Well, don't worry about this. In this video, I will show you how to talk about your daily routine in English in a simple, fun, and natural way. By the way, my name is Gita Irdina Lasmi. I am a student of Oil and Gas Logistics at PEM Akamigas at Cepu. I come from Bekasi and yes, I'm Indonesian. Today, I will explain my daily routine during 1 week at PEM Akamigas.
Wow.
But at the same time, I will also teach you the English rules behind it. So, you didn't just listen, you actually learn too. So, let's go for the part 1. Okay, before I tell you my day, let's talk about English basics first. Don't worry, no complicated grammar, I promise. So first, simple present tense. When we talk about daily routines, we usually use simple present tense because daily routines happen again and again. For the example, I wake up at 4 a.m., I go to class every day, I exercise with my friends. Easy, right? And next, 2. Time expressions. Time expressions help your listener understand when things happen. For the example, every morning, on weekdays, on weekend, at 7:30 a.m., and last in the afternoon. 3. Sequencing words. These words make your story flow smoothly. Like, example is first, then, after that, finally. Okay, now that you know the basics, let me take you through my day. Alright, my day usually starts very early. I woke up at 4 a.m. Yes, 4 a.m. But we get used to it. First, I make my bed, then I go to the mosque to pray subuh. I do this routine every day. Yes, every day. And I don't do it alone. I do it together with my friends. Why do we do this? Because to boot discipline, responsibility, and honestly, mental strength. After that, we always exercise together. On weekdays, we exercise in the afternoon, and on weekends, we exercise in the morning. The sports are random. We do some jogging, volleyball, football, or just stretching. After exercise, we go to Resti. Yes, the main restaurant at PEM Akamigas. The menu is different every day, so it's never boring. And after eating, we don't just leave. We sit together, talk, and then clean up together. This teaches us teamwork because here no one works alone. Next, after breakfast, I go back to the dormitory. Female students stay in Aviatra and male students stay in other buildings. Then I take a shower and get ready for class exactly. My class starts at 7:30 a.m. so I usually leave the dorm at 7:15 a.m. I prepare everything like my uniform, my shoes, my hijab, my laptop and tablet. I study from 7 a.m. until 5 p.m. Yes, it's a full day. But I'm grateful because the subjects are related to my major and my passion, so even when I'm tired, I still enjoy learning everything. Next, during break time, I usually go to the canteen. Yes, Bu Besti. There are so many food choices. My favorites are shredded chicken, Pindang is like a fish and chicken intestines. For drink, I usually choose ultra milk like chocolate milk or bembeng chocolate. And I always go to there with my friends. And yes, most of the people they are senior students, mostly from engineering majors. After class, I usually rest or cheat with friends or do assignments. Talking about weekends, on weekends my routine changes a little. I usually finish my assignments and join dormitory activities. For example, on Sunday night I had a football sparring activity with senior students. On Sundays, I usually exercise in the morning, finish assignments, visit seniors' room, spend time with friends. Weekends are busy but fun, literally. Okay, back to the learning time. Let's talk about vocabulary because sometimes the problem isn't grammar, but I don't know the words. Here are some common daily routine vocabularies. You can use wake up, make the bed, take a shower or take a bath, get ready, have a breakfast, go to class, study, take a break, exercise, do assignments, rest, go to sleep, and you don't need advanced words. Simple vocabulary is more natural and more understandable. So, when you talk about your routine, just use words are you comfortable with. Now, this is very important. Sometimes people ask, how can I talk for 10 minutes about my daily routine? The answer is simple. Yes, add details. For the examples, instead of people saying like I study in the morning, I study in the night, and you can say like I study in the morning from 7 a.m. until 5 p.m. and during that time I learn many subjects related to my major. See? You can see the difference, right? You're still telling the truth, but with more explanation. So, remember this. 1. Explain why. 2. Explain how. And the last, explain with who. This will automatically make your explanation longer and more interesting. Next, another important thing when talking about daily routines is adverbs of frequency. These words explain how often you do something. For the examples, like always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, never, and for example, I wake up at 4 a.m. and I often exercise with my friends. Then I sometimes go to the canteen alone. And these words make your story sound more natural, like real English. Now let's talk about style. Yes, style. You can explain your daily routine in a casual way or a formal way. For example, casual is like I wake up early and hang out with my friends. I wake up early and hang out with my friends. More formal is like I usually wake up early and spend time with my friends after class. For YouTube and also for podcasts, a casual but polite style is perfect. So don't be too stiff, but don't be too slangy either. Balance is the key. Once again, balance is a key. Next, Now let me give you a simple example. If someone asks you, what is your daily routine? You can answer like this. First, I wake up early in the morning, then I prepare myself and have a breakfast. After that, I go to class and study until afternoon. In the evening, I usually rest or do my assignments. Finally, I go to sleep at night. Simple, clear, effective. So, after watching this video, I hope you understand that talking about your daily routine in English is not scary at all. You don't need perfect English, you don't need difficult vocabulary, and you don't need to sound like a native speaker. You just need three things: simple grammar, clear structure, and confidence. That's it. Everyone has a daily routine, so everyone can talk about it. Maybe my daily routine at Pemaka guys is different from yours. I wake up early, I exercise, I study full day, and I live in a dormitory. But maybe you go to school, go to work, help your parents, or study from home. And that's totally okay. Because even though our routines are different, the way we explain them in English is the same. So after this video, I want you to practice. Try to talking about your morning routine, your school or work routine, and your weekend routine. You can practice in front of mirror, you can record yourself, or you can practice with your friends. Remember, the more you practice, the more confident you will become. And confidence is the key when speaking English. Thank you so much for watching this podcast until the end. I really hope these videos help you learn how to talk about your daily routine in English in a fun, simple, and natural way. Keep practicing, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next podcast. Bye bye!